Everybody, what's up? What's up? What's up? Deontay Kia here. Hope everybody having a great night. Hope your week starting off great. And one thing, if this video, which I'm quite sure I get everything out before it finished, but if my computer was my charger, I think it got a shortage in it, and I don't think it's really working. So if this video was to just cut off, then everything else I was going to say, which this video won't be too long, it'll be in the description. So just read it. I know a lot of people don't like to read, but I should get everything out, of what I'm gonna say. Video won't be too long. But anyway, a lot of people obviously watching this going to be subscribed to me. Some people going to see this video that aren't subscribed to me. And the reason I'm on this page right here is because, most people know that all last 2017, I had the #1 ranked video on how to make money online for free. And I was mainly talking about Warrior Plus. And, I even got an email back in November 2017 from their corporate office, and they was thanking me. I don't know who they were, but they was just saying like, they was wondering how so many new members signed up in a period of time that it did. And they said they went on YouTube and started doing research and everything. And they said they seen I was the #1 video with over 150,000 organic views, talking about Warrior Plus, and they said they knew that's where the members came from. So that's pretty cool. But Warrior Plus, for the people that don't know it, is just a site with a whole bunch of affiliate programs. You just request links. You request links. You don't have to pay to join program. Request links. You get approved. You get your own link. Start promoting. People go to it. They buy through it. Um, when they buy into it, you get a commission. Now, obviously, the bigger commission you get, the bigger the program, the more the program costs. People buy into it. The same with JVZoo and ClickBank. Now, I know a lot of people, they probably heard about ClickBank the most, but JVZoo is also a site, which is this right here. And my computer moving a little slow. Sorry about that. And we got ClickBank. Okay. So, like I said, I got tons of videos on, affiliate sites like these. Well, mainly talking about Warrior Plus, but in depth about these programs right here. Okay, so these are three pretty cool sites. Start requesting links, start promoting, make some money. Now, what I really wanted to talk about is I know a lot of people have been hearing about apps that pay. And I know a lot of people think they just bullshit. And obviously, I mean, honestly, I did too. Obviously, because a lot of people, they used to come to me and I used to just turn them down. Now, I'm still not really big into the whole apps that pay because I just thought they all were fake. But sorry about that. But yeah, the #1 app I want to talk about is called Dosh. Now, a lot of people, I seen them promoting this on Facebook Christmas, and I didn't think anything of it. I didn't take it serious. A lot of people was like, "Look, I know you're making money online, but it's free money. You can't beat free money. When you do your thing, I'm cool." But around December 23rd, there's a girl on my friends list that I'm real cool with online, and she posted up a screenshot of her making like 8,800. So I messaged her. It's pretty cool. I was like, "But did it hit your bank account?" And she showed me proof that it did. Because you can make money in anything. You can see numbers. That's not impressive until you can spend it, right? So I was like, look, I'm gonna give it a try. So honestly, I got my link and I promoted it out for a couple days. And in a couple days, obviously I got a, pretty nice following. Some people went to it, they downloaded the app, they linked their card, and I probably made like dollars in like a few days. That's pretty cool. It wasn't impressive because it didn't hit my bank account. So I went to transfer funds inside the Dosh app. I waited, it still didn't hit it. The day after that, I checked it. About $1,300 was deposited, and then it said Dosh, and I'm like, oh, okay, so this is really real. Thing about me, I test things first before I bring it to YouTube. So yeah, so Dosh is cool. It's a free way to make money, and I'm not saying you're gonna make hundreds of thousands, but even in the next couple of days, you make 80, 90, $100. It's better. They'll put some food on the table, whatever. But I mean, a lot of money. So, and it's a whole lot of stuff in here, like book hotels, book, travel, different things, cash back. It's a whole lot of ways you can make money in here. Okay, so get this app. It's pretty cool, Dosh, and you have to link a card. When you sign up, download the app and you link up. It can't be a prepaid card anymore, but when you link a bank card, you get $5 off rip. Now, when people go through your link and they download it, um, download the app, they have to link their card and get their $5 for you to get money. There's a little promotion going 23rd of this month. It's $15 per person. Okay. So that's pretty cool. Ibotta, it's another one. Now I was on the website of this Ibotta app right here, but it was pretty whack, so I just went to the pictures or whatever. But the thing about Ibotta is, you know, I think it's $5 too, but you don't get as much money right now because the little promotion they got going on. But Ibotta, I think if you get like 10 friends, you get $100 off rip. Just 10 friends to download the app and like redeem a code or something. So download this app too. It's pretty cool. It's a free way to make money. So, I'm not going too much in depth about these things, but seeing besides affiliate marketing, the Warrior Plus and everything, obviously, those are the biggest things. Affiliate marketing, best way to make free money, and it teach you a lot for when you really get your own business and stuff and start running it. But download these two apps. It's a good way to put some food on the table, get you some gas, just pretty cool. It's free money, so just download the apps. They really, really pay. I've been paid. Okay, and right here. The only reason I'm talking about MCA because a lot of people still message me to this day, ask me, am I still in it? Yes, I'm still in MCA. I just don't talk about it as much. I'm still making around $700 to $900 a week from MCA. Okay, I've been in this since 2014. And I know the site is not, but it was a free site on Weebly, but people still, they still go to it and sign up. So yes, I'm still in MCA, still one of my main programs, and this is not free. $40 to join. So for the people that keep asking, am I still in it? Because that's what people hear about the most online. Yes, I'm still in MCA, and honestly, it's the best program to me to be a part of, even if you're not in it to make money, like to promote. The benefits are ridiculous and the roadside assistance is way better than AAA. MCA is just a program you want to be in. The dental, the just the benefits alone is just crazy. And with it being snow falling right now and your car gonna get stuck, you need the free roadside assistance because a lot of people don't even have AAA. So for this to be $40 and $20 a month and the money that you can make with this, like our top people are making probably $10,000 to $20,000 a week, almost 100,000 a month with this company. Um, like I said, I was young when I joined this $1,000 right here, so I don't post up money pictures anymore. This is just, I just never took it down. So what? But yeah. So I'm still in MCA for the people that keep asking. So I'm not trying to sell you guys on this, but I know more people that's watching is gonna ask me, am I in it? And the answer is yes. Okay. So unlike my video last year that I made pretty long, Make Money Online Free 2017, I didn't make this one that long. I'm just showing you some free ways. Like I said, I got tons of videos out there about Warrior Plus and different things like that. But yeah, Ibotta and, Dash, great ways to just make money. They are apps. They are apps. You download them, you sit at home, you on Facebook and Instagram and everything anyway. Why not promote your link? Why not get a little money? You know what I'm saying? So, um, yeah, me or whatever you have for me, and I got you. Any questions, it don't matter. Whatever you want me to make a video on. Um, and also people like, oh, he didn't elaborate much. Like I said, I got tons of videos out there, and Warrior Plus about them so much, So just go watch. These, I just want y'all to get them. Dash and Ibotta, please just get them. Even if you don't know what you're doing, there's tons of videos out there on them. But when you get this Dash, like I said, link your card and you're gonna get $5 off rip. And your friends and everybody, they have to do the same thing for them to get money and for you to get money. Okay, so these are two pretty cool ways to make money. And like I said, look at my Warrior Plus videos and all that if you have not yet. All right, I'm gonna be coming with more soon. Peace, everybody. Stay blessed.